Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to answer some questions from AppSumo because this user was making some really good points about how we work, what you can do with us, how you can manage your account, how to set up things. So this is the question I answered here, but I think a video is going to help other users, and I think it's really, the questions that are here I think are going to help other users like you. So the first question is if you can embed the widget in Instagram or Facebook. I mean the answer is no. I mean you cannot embed the widget in Instagram or Facebook. We have some videos. This is a video we did about how to add the link to WhatsApp in Instagram. I mean, you can add links in the bio, in stories. This is something you can do, and the link can go to your WhatsApp. We give you a link that you can track, and you can use the link so you can understand what is working, what is not working, etc. But you cannot embed the widget on Instagram or Facebook. So that's it. Okay, this is easy. Will every message sent via the widget be directly received in client's WhatsApp? Yes, I mean obviously. I mean this is this is the main service we provide. No, I mean when you have a widget, you have a widget here. In the widget, you have your you have the agent's phone number, and obviously this phone number should be your customer phone number. I mean, let's say this is a widget for a shop. Here you need to add the phone number of the shop. Okay. Also, you can add the email of the business. Okay. So phone number, email, and control panel. The lead is going to be sent directly to WhatsApp, to the business owner. If you have the email, we are going to send an email to the customer. And finally, you have the control panel, so they can check the leads from this week, last month, etc. Okay, so this is yes, WhatsApp forwarding, email notification, and control panel. Okay, so I think I mean we want to obviously we don't want to keep any leads for us. We want to send you the leads to you or to your client. Okay, how the message flow between the widget and the WhatsApp account. I mean this is something we have. I mean this is part of our development, but I mean when you have the widget when you have the widget here, let's go to the widget, let's go to the landing page, let's open the widget. I put here the information, and I put here the email. I click send, and this forwards the conversation to the WhatsApp number you provide. That's it. We send all the information to the customer. This lead is also sent via email, and we keep the record in the control panel. So it's a straightforward. I mean if you are in the desktop, this works very well. If you are on the app, it's even better. It's going to go straight to the WhatsApp of your business, and very very simple. Okay, so how the message, this is how we do it. It's direct. There is we don't do anything dodgy. It's from the widget to the business WhatsApp number. Okay, what are the technical requirements for setting up and integrating WhatsApp widgets? Are there any specific server? I mean, we are a SaaS platform. I mean, we host everything. I mean, you don't need to you don't need to do anything. We host everything. Okay, so there is no there is no server or anything you need to set up. You create an account, we host everything in our servers. Our servers are in Germany. Is the company is called Hetzner. I mean, super secure. Everything is, everything is there, and we are very happy with them. And this is, I mean, we don't give you a copy of the application. Okay, you work with our account in our servers. Okay, setting, so there is no integration, so that's it. How will updates and maintenance be handled? I mean, we do everything, of course. We keep everything updated. We are working, all the time in the application. I'm going to show you the roadmap we have. So, we keep adding features, we keep adding new resources, new features, modules, everything. I mean, we keep the application, updated. Why? Because of you. Okay, why we keep the application updated? Because we have users like you becoming customers, and you pay us, and with that money we keep adding more features. If we do well, it's because you are doing well. I mean, this is really this should be a relationship where we give you the best tool possible because you support us, paying your license. That's it. Super simple. This is a fair model for everyone. I mean, we want to really, create, develop, release the best tool for, marketing agencies, business owners, working with WhatsApp. We want to give you, the best resources, everything. We want to give you the best tools. But we need your support. If you like what we do, please share it. If you like what we are doing, please share it, because otherwise, if there are no customers, we will need to close. Okay. What exactly is included in the lifetime deal? Everything. I mean, we don't have a version for lifetime deal and another version for subscribers. It's the same solution. You can pay a monthly subscription or you can pay a lifetime deal. For us, it's the same. You are welcome anyway. The product is the same. I mean, we give you exactly the same tools, the same updates, the same everything. I mean, there is nothing different. We don't do like dodgy stuff. Like we have done a version for lifetime users, and then you need to upgrade. You need to do. We don't want that. We want to be clear, fair, transparent. I mean, the product is the same, the features are the same, everything is the same. I mean, the support is the same. We treat you like, our only customer. So, it's exactly the same. And about limitations, none. Okay? No limitations. Okay? None. Zero. Okay, we don't block you anyway. Unlimited widgets, unlimited agents, unlimited leads, unlimited forms, unlimited landing pages, unlimited everything. Okay, so why the same? Because of you. Okay, we want to give you the best tool, the best features, the best resources, the best everything, but we need you to become customers. Okay, so if you are there, if you are thinking we are giving you a nice solution, we help you in a fair way, we help you creating, launching your business, we help you becoming a better company, a better entrepreneur, a better something, please support us. I mean, this is, if we make this work, we are going to keep adding features, resources, tools. We hear you. I mean, we receive a lot of feedback from from customers asking for, hey, can you make this, can you make that, how can I do this, how can I do that? And we are on top of everything. I mean, we want everyone to really have the best solution for marketing on WhatsApp. So we know there are limitations in terms of what you can do without WhatsApp API and with WhatsApp Business. We don't give you WhatsApp API. That's something you need to get from other solutions. But honestly, for small businesses, WhatsApp API is not needed. There is no need for WhatsApp API. Normally, our users, 99% are WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. They don't use WhatsApp API. So we think, we give you a nice combination of tools. As I mentioned, we keep improving these tools. We keep improving the solution to give you the best support. So, hope this answered your questions. I will add some links to videos where we, clarify or comment things you mentioned here. I'm going to share this document in the AppSumo discussion. So, you can have this as a reference tool. And please, if you have more questions, please send the questions, send the comments. We are here to help you. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.